Okay, something I've just noted here. A lot of people talk about Fraps and having trouble doing the Windows desktop capture. They don't get the DWM and they say load the Arrow desktop and whatever. That's fine and dandy, but I've got a different problem. My problem is that when I'm doing captures of movies, I'm getting, sometimes I get a little sound drop out, but the worst thing is I'm getting, if I expand a window or collapse window or that, sometimes I'll get the screen will blank out or it'll be like a flickering effect, which is kind of annoying. And I couldn't figure out what it was. Well, I have one little thing going on that I haven't seen other people doing captures, and that is I have multiple monitors. And as you can see, I got an old NVIDIA card. I have two monitors, two HP 2511s or 25-inch LCD panels. Well, apparently Fraps tries to monitor every monitor display or every display you have on the system, which apparently screws it up when you're trying to get the Arrow desktop because it can't focus. Unlike a game where it can latch on to the DirectX hooks, on the desktop, it's trying to grab everything it can that the video card's putting out, and I think that's what's causing the flickering and the screws up in the video. So my best advice is go in, if you have multiple monitors and you're trying to do a screen capture, and I don't care if you've got AMD Infinity going or whatever, pick one monitor and use that one to show whatever you're trying to show on your desktop, because Fraps apparently cannot handle multiple monitors correctly. It's only going to grab the first monitor that is the primary monitor anyway, but that second one it's constantly reading, and you'll know that because if you look up in the corner there and you see the FPS counter that Fraps sticks there, you'll see it on your second monitor as well, and it's usually a different FPS, by the way. Well, it's going to try to capture that even though it's not going to show it. And I believe what happens is when you're doing full screen, minimize, maximize, whatever, it just can't handle it. And the next two smaller videos I've included this will actually show what happens. If you're having the problems I was having, strongly suggest you just turn off your second monitor when you're using Fraps. Hope this is helpful. I'm out. Alright, this is test number one. This is one monitor. I have disabled the second monitor in my control panel here. As you can see, only one monitor is showing up. And what I will do is I'll open some of the same apps here. You see this is working. I'm moving the window around. I'm going to open a web page. I'm going to look at another web page. I'm going to expand out the web page. And if there's a problem with the Fraps capture, it usually shows out when you do an expansion of the web page. Let's go ahead and open another web page here. Alrighty. That one's not coming up. I don't know what's up with Z panel. Okay. And we'll expand this one out. Bring up the Fraps window, close the Fraps window, and this is test number two. I've got both screens up now. We'll do some of the same stuff. Open the web page, expand it out, make it smaller. Some web pages. Looks good there. Close those out. Alright, that's the end of the test.